Hello YouTube, Model Car Guy here. Welcome back, and I picked up 2 more model kits. Yes, I keep picking up model kits. But we'll start with this one, a 1978 Dodge. I've been wanting this because this is the only Dodge truck kit I've seen. Comes with a mini bike. Looking forward to building that up. Let's see, kind of detailed engine, jack and toolbox, mini bike, some flashers, stock wheels, and all that. Yeah, I'll do an unboxing video soon on this whenever I get to do it. And then my dad's going to build this one, a 1966 Chevy Nova Pro Street Dragger. And it comes with a motor stand and a motor. That's neat. And it's all molded in blue. So I hope you enjoyed this, and we shall see you guys in the next video, which will be this kit getting built. And then, well, meanwhile, because I'm gonna build this one, while my dad's gonna build this one. So these 2 videos will come out. I'll do an unboxing video of this coming out here very soon.